In the second round of litigation, VSH was joined by respondents in the present petition stop. Together, they filed CWP number 2557 of 1996 before this court stop. They prayed for a direction to the respondents to appoint them to HCS (EB) from the date persons were selected in the year 1992 and were appointed against the 1989 advertisement stop. They staked their claim on general vacancies, which I attest to the accuracy and authenticity of this document. High Court Chandigarh CWP number 21564 of 2012 and CWP number 7791 of 2012 were advertised on November 24, 1992 after only about 5 months of the date. The recommendations were made by the Commission of the 1989 process stop. They felt that in case the next cycle of recruitments came to fruition and posts were filled, they would stand deprived of consideration for appointment on the strength of the circulars of 1957 and 1972 stop. That was the obvious reason which brought the writ petition for adjudication stop. The writ petition was dismissed by the division bench on April 1, 1997 after contest by a detailed judgment stop. The appointments of Group B officers followed the dismissal stop. They were appointed on June 25, 1997 stop. This court held that the petitioners had joined in allied services without protest stop. They kept silent for 4 years, which period was unexplained by over 3 years and 8 months, and this disentitled at least petitioner numbers 2 and 3 from relief as they made a belated approach to court, if not VSH stop. On merits, the court held, after noticing several judgments of the Supreme Court and the High Court, that the claim was not against vacancies remaining unfilled due to non-joining of selected candidates, but were claimed against posts vacancies which became available after the initiation of the process of recruitment, which had to be thrown open for fresh recruitment to satisfy standards of equal opportunity to those who became eligible. Meanwhile, stop. The court delved into the rules of service which envisaged recruitment from different sources, for which there was a roster prescribed drawn from 4 different registers stop. Offering appointments to the petitioners would disturb and violate the ratio of recruitment from different sources, and the court found no rationale or justification in issuing directions as prayed for stop. CWP number 7791 of 2012 Policy Instructions of March 22, 1957, the court was of opinion that they gave no vested right in favor of existing employees.